Your bag is aging you. And I do not mean by 1 or 2 years. I mean by a full decade. And the most shocking part, the last bag on this list is sitting in the wardrobe of almost every woman over 50 right now. Welcome to Ageless Black Queens, the only channel delivering beauty and style truth specifically for dark-skinned women over 50 before the rest of the world catches up. Subscribe right now. Let us get into it. Stay until the very end. Bag number 6 will genuinely surprise you. Bag number 1, the oversized Shapeless Tote. I understand why we love this bag. As a former fashion advisor, I watched women gravitate toward the oversized tote for decades because it is practical, it holds everything, and it feels safe. But safe is exactly the problem. When a bag has no real structure or shape, it creates visual heaviness. It pulls the eye downward and makes your entire silhouette look wider and more tired than you actually are. And in my years of styling women, I noticed something else about the Shapeless Tote. It creates a frantic energy. Not the energy of a woman moving through life with grace and intention, but the energy of a woman running from place to place, managing everyone else. Your bag should tell a different story. The alternative is a structured tote. Same practicality, completely different energy. A structured tote in rich leather or quality faux leather in deep camel, cognac, black, or warm burgundy holds its shape, lifts your outfit, and tells every room you walk into that you move through life with complete and deliberate elegance. Drop a comment right now and tell me, are you currently carrying a Shapeless tote? Because this is the most common bag mistake I saw in my advisory years, and it is completely fixable today. Bag number 2, the worn and weathered everyday bag. This one is not about the style of the bag, it is about the condition. And I say this with genuine love, because I have watched some of the most beautifully dressed women walk into rooms carrying bags that undid everything they had so carefully put together. We find a bag we love and we hold on to it through every season, every occasion, every year, until the lining starts to peel, the straps begin to crack, and the corners wear completely down. And here is what my years of fashion advisory work taught me about this. People cannot always identify what they are seeing when they look at a tired bag, but they feel it. Something is off, something is aged, and that feeling transfers directly onto the woman carrying it. The alternative is simple. Invest in 3 or 4 quality pieces and rotate them. Keep them in excellent condition. A bag that looks genuinely cared for communicates something powerful about the woman carrying it. It says, I take care of beautiful things, including myself. If Ageless Black Queens is already giving you something no other channel is providing for women like you, hit that like button right now. It helps us reach more dark-skinned women who deserve this specific conversation. Bag number 3, the heavily logoed bag from 2 decades ago. We all went through our logo era, and in my fashion advisory days, I watched it happen across every age group, every income level, every style background. There was a time when a bag covered in brand initials from top to bottom was the ultimate statement. And back then it was. But fashion has moved decisively in a different direction. And here is the specific advisory truth I need to share with you. A heavily logoed bag from 2 decades ago does not just look dated, it anchors you visually to that era. It quietly communicates that your style stopped evolving at a specific point in time. And for a dark-skinned woman over 50 who has been growing and deepening and becoming more extraordinary with every passing year, that message is completely false. The alternative is a smooth, minimal leather bag with clean lines and no visible logo. In my experience styling women, nothing communicates genuine, sophisticated wealth more immediately than quiet understatement. It whispers luxury rather than announcing it. And that, Queens, is the energy of a woman who has truly and completely arrived. Bag number 4, the small novelty or themed bag. These are the bags shaped like animals, covered in quirky charms, or designed to look like something you would find at a carnival. And while they have their own playful charm,
In my years of fashion advisory work, I watched them commit one consistent crime against the women carrying them. They become the subject of the look, rather than the accessory to it. Instead of people seeing your extraordinary melanin skin, your beautiful face, and your carefully considered style, they see the bag first.
You become the background of your own story, and you are far too magnificent to be anyone's background. The alternative is a bag with personality that does not overpower you. A richly textured piece in python or croc embossing. A bold jewel tone in emerald, cobalt, or warm tangerine. An interesting architectural shape, like a trapeze or a structured half moon. These pieces are expressive and individual, without ever making you disappear behind them. Subscribe to Ageless Black Queens right now if you are not yet part of this community. Every single week, we are first with this level of specific styling expertise for dark-skinned women who refuse to be invisible. Bag number 5, the backpack as an everyday handbag. Backpacks have their place. Travel, absolutely. A hiking trail, of course. A completely casual errand run, certainly. But when the backpack becomes the daily go-to for lunches, events, and social occasions, something important shifts in how a mature woman is perceived. In my fashion advisory practice, I observe this consistently. The backpack creates a silhouette and an energy that reads as deliberately casual, in a way that works against the natural sophistication of a dark-skinned woman over 50. There is a very important distinction I always shared with my clients. Looking young and looking vibrant are two completely different things. We never want to chase youth. We want to radiate vitality, wisdom, and complete self-knowledge. The alternative is a structured crossbody with a long strap. You keep all the hands-free practicality you love, but the look is elevated, intentional, and genuinely flattering to your silhouette. A structured crossbody in a warm neutral or a bold accent color is one of the most elegant and practical choices a woman over 50 can make. It balances the body beautifully and keeps your hands completely free without sacrificing a single ounce of grace. Bag number 6, the clear transparent bag. And here it is, the one I promised you, the one that surprises almost every woman who hears it, and the one that my years of fashion advisory work convinced me is the single most underestimated elegance destroyer in a mature woman's wardrobe. Clear bags became genuinely trendy a few years ago. They looked modern and functional, and some of them were quite striking at first glance. And I watched women over 50 embrace them enthusiastically. But here is the specific advisory truth that nobody was saying clearly enough. A clear bag removes all mystery. It puts everything you own on public display. And for a dark-skinned woman over 50, who has spent decades developing her sophistication, her grace, her presence, and her art of moving through the world with quiet, confident authority, a transparent bag works directly and completely against that energy. Mystery is not just attractive, it is powerful. The contents of your bag are entirely your business. A beautiful opaque bag with a clean lining preserves your air of refinement in a way that no transparent material ever could. The alternative is a bag in a rich and luxurious fabric. A smooth satin evening bag for dressed-up occasions. A deep velvet clutch for cooler months. A fine woven leather for warm afternoons. These materials carry texture, depth, and beauty that plastic can never replicate. They feel completely deliberate. And as I always told my clients in my advisory years, deliberate style is always and without exception the most powerful and the most beautiful.
6 bags, 6 quiet elegance destroyers, and 6 stunning alternatives that celebrate the specific and extraordinary beauty of dark-skinned women over 50. As a former fashion advisor, my work was always about one thing: helping women see themselves clearly enough to make choices that honored who they actually were. Not who they used to be, not who they thought they should be, who they actually are right now, in this season of their lives. And who you are right now deserves a bag that says exactly that. Drop a comment and tell me which of these 6 bags you are saying goodbye to today, and which alternative you are adding to your life first. Because this community was built on exactly these honest conversations. Hit that like button, share this with a woman who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Ageless Black Queens if you are not already part of this family. We were here first. We will always be here first. See you in the next one, Queen.